So now we will discuss how to write the solutions in probability. Okay, first, suppose the question is given something related to find the probability of something event. Then first step must be like this: number of total outcomes of the event. That should be written in the sample space and write the number. Okay, now number should not consist braces or flower bracket. Now the second step is let the event. So this is called as a assumption step. Suppose if you wanted to find the probability of getting a head, then let the event getting a head is P of E. This is the assumption part. Next, third one is the number of favorable outcomes of the event. Suppose the question is like this: you have rolled a die, then to get the number of probability of prime, then number of favorable outcomes are probability of a prime number, means you need to pick up the prime numbers 2 and 3 5 are called favorable outcomes. That should be written in the sample space and maintain the braces, flower braces, and write the number as a 3. Next, this is the formula part. P of E is equals to number of favorable outcome by number of total outcomes, and you should write answer in the fraction and as well as the decimal value. Yeah, let us see with one example. Two dice are rolled. One is red color and another one is yellow. At the same time, what is the probability that the sum of two numbers is 8 and prime number, and two events and the sum of the two dice is 13 or less than or equals to 12? Okay, these are 5 questions. So first of all, when two dice are rolling, number of total outcomes 36. Okay, you need to draw this tabular form. Okay, remember this one. Then here first question, sum of the dice is equals to 8. So let the event rolling two dice to get sum is 8. Assume as a P of E or something. Next, favorable outcomes to get the sum is 8. So in this tabular form, where you will get the sum of two values is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, and 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8. So write all those values in the sample space. So count the number of elements, total 5. Now probability of event, number of favorable outcomes, which is 5, and number of total outcomes 36. Divide 5 by the 36 and write the value here. Next, prime. So the next solution is find the probability of getting a prime number. Okay. So number of favorable outcomes to get the sum is prime. When you are adding the two numbers of the top of the dice, you should get the prime number. So there 1 comma 1 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is a prime number, 1 comma 2, 1 plus 2 is a 3, like that 1 comma 4, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, and 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 6, and 6 comma 1, 6 comma 5. Therefore total favorable outcomes are 13. As you know, the number of total outcomes are 36. So probability of this event is 13 by 36. Divide 13 by 36. Next, two events. So now you need to find the probability of getting two events. Now assume with the P of E. So getting two events, getting the probability of probability of getting two even numbers on the top of the dice is P of E. Next, number of favorable outcomes are 2 comma 6, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 6, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 6. Total outcomes are 9. So write down the formula P of E is equals to 9 by 36. Okay. Next, fourth one is getting sum of two dice is 13. It is impossible because 6 plus 6 is 12. So that is the last one. Therefore, the favorable outcomes are 0 and the total outcomes are 36. 0 by something is 0. Next one is less than or equal to 12. So here when you observe the tabular form, all values are less than or equal to the 12. So total favorable outcomes are 36 and number of total outcomes also 36. 36 by 36 equals to 1. Okay.